Toileting is more than just peeing or pooping. It's a full routine made of many steps, and teaching them one at a time helps your child feel confident and in control. First, go to the bathroom. Show your child how to walk calmly to the bathroom when it's time. You can guide them at first, they'll soon remember the path. Second, pull down pants and underwear. This step can be practiced even outside bathroom time with play clothes or dolls. Show them slowly and offer help if needed. Third, sit on the potty or toilet seat. Let your child sit at their own pace. Use a stable seat insert or a potty chair and support their feet with a stool. Fourth, pee or poo. Stay nearby, but don't pressure. Some children need quiet, others like a simple song, story, or timer. Fifth, clean up. Tissue or water. Every family is different. Some children learn to wipe with tissue. Others use water from a faucet or lota. Teach the method you use at home, step by step. For wiping, front to back is safest. For water use, help them rinse gently and dry. Number 6. Flush the toilet. Let your child flush or press the button. Some may be scared of the sound at first. You can flush later or use a visual cue. Number 7. Pull up pants and underwear. Encourage independence here too. Celebrate any success, even partial. Number 8. Wash hands with soap. Show them how to turn on the tap. Rub with soap. Rinse and shake dry or use a towel. Make it a fun, repeatable part of the routine. Number 9. Dry hands and leave bathroom. Always end with praise. Whether they completed one step or all 9, they are learning. Start by teaching just the first 3 or 4 steps. For once your child is comfortable, slowly introduce the rest. Use visuals, gestures, and modeling, and repeat the routine the same way each time. Pick a moment today, maybe after lunch or bath. Guide your child through just part of the routine. Let them watch you. Let them try. Praise the effort, not just the result. Each step your child learns is a step towards independence. It won't happen all at once, but with your support, your calm, and your consistency, they will get there.